Good morning. So we are in Kansas, day 2. The time right now is 9:15 and I'm getting ready for church. My classmates and I are going to church because it's Sunday and we have a very big test coming up next week, and it's very scary to think about. But yeah, so we have one of our HESIs coming up next week and we're all very anxious. Okay, on our way. This is the front door. But we are on our way to church and we decided to walk. Look at the road. I'm loving the road.
You know that the Lord is 7 Oh, that's what you mean? Yeah, the Lord. The Lord is Spanish. When you ask a big in Spanish, the Lord.
I'm loving the brick roads, right? So that was the path walk or the walkway, sidewalk, whatever you call it. And then the roads over there, because this is the intersection. So the intersection is regular, but the actual street is bricks, which I think is so cool. It's so pretty. I was like, this place is so relaxing. So the area that we got is more like a college town. Thank you. Okay, so we just got back from church. I'm going to make a cup of coffee and then we're going to be studying for a little bit and then Walmart. So this is my lunch. It's actually leftovers because I bought, it was a good deal. It was buy one for $10, get the second one free. So these are orange chicken and then rice. And this one's not from Panda Express. It's actually from somewhere else. I was like at the supermarket we went to yesterday. But I couldn't pass down that deal.
Oh, there's a sign.
I told you, that's what I said.
Oh,
I know, I got scared. I thought we were gonna hit something.
saw that from that far?
Yeah. See?
Good eyes.
Okay, so we're at Walmart. Oops.
Oh, they're at the counter checking out.
Why? Okay, so total is oh, they don't accept cash? No cash payments. Okay, so I will pay with my card. Okay, so we found this sign. It says Manhattan. So we're in Manhattan, which is the city, and Kansas State. So trying to find a good spot to take a picture.
And then we can take a picture there
Yes,
on our first day and our
last day. We're gonna be smiling on the first day and then tired with hair messy on the last.
Just go straight there?
Yeah, that's what it says. It's gonna be like a roundabout.
Are these olive? No, this can't be.
Look how nice these houses are.
They're so big.
I know. Okay, here we go. So I think
There's a rehab and there's a
so. There's this one, the
retirement.
health and rehab. So that's not us.
That's not us. That's us.
Is that it?
Yeah.
What's that one over there? Skilled nursing?
Assisted living.
Yeah, this is us. Health and rehab.
Health and rehab. Okay.
Check it.
Oh, it's so big.
This is the assisted living.
I hope it says.
Are you
yes, as it is.
I don't
Yeah, we're not doing assisted.
We're not
living.
doing assisted
They cannot
living?
send us for
Yeah,
assisted
we're doing
living.
the-
There's not much ground.
That's the.
Okay. Okay, so they got a good amount of parking spots.
A big facility too.
Yeah.
We can roam around. There's gonna be like 9 of us. We should be fine.
Oh, look, they have a memory care unit.
Oh.
All right, accomplished. Good morning, day 3. I'm currently waiting to use the bathroom. There's 2 bathrooms, but 4 of us. So I have my toothpaste, toothbrush, and then my skincare. I don't know if you guys know what this is, but it's a Korean brand. They currently sell it at Costco now, but I was normally getting it from Korea. It's a really good brand. But while I wait, I'm gonna go make me a cup of coffee. This is day 3 for me. How are you guys doing? Good morning. Time right now is 4:10 a.m. I'm so exhausted. I don't know what's going on with me lately. I've been waking up at 4 to do something. And it's not my intention. Let me try to zoom out. I don't think I'm gonna drink that much coffee, but I don't think we're leaving for like an hour. So the Airbnb came with like these coffees already. And then I bought my own, excuse me. And I'm gonna drink my cup of coffee first and I'll get back to you guys later. Okay, so outfit. Scrub top, name badge. And then I also have the Nightingale jacket. Dude, it's hella dark. time is it? It's 5 a.m. Let's sit in the back. Let's do this. Okay.
Lord.
I hope our professor is nice.
She will.
You know? I hope she's nice. You got it? Oh, I like how there's cup holders back here. Like there's, look, big ones.
All good.
That's a parking or actually park here.
Okay, so we are here.
Park here.
With the drive.
Let's park here.
Yeah, just parked super far.
That's far.
All right.
Maybe part of your video. This is
Yeah.
no serious. I have a photo bomber.
Hello. Say hi.
Hi. We bought eggs.
Yeah, we made boiled eggs. Oh, sorry. And then,
You know how it is when you go to church. You have a peace offering for eggs.
yes.
Do you have a Christmas light?
Alrighty. All right, you guys ready for 12 hours?
Picture. Oh yeah, we didn't have a picture.
Hold on, not yet. Okay, 12 hours completed. I can't do it.
11.25.
11.25. Let me just correct myself here because Sheila wants to correct me. All right, but I've been up since 4. So technically that's 12 hours. So are we all grabbing dinner now or are we splitting up? Where are you guys going?
We can grab dinner. Oh my God,
You said you want to try that?
I want to try AJ's pizza.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a soup here. Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, I know. Look how nice. All modern compared to the town.
So you're gonna pass the line, still going straight. I'm curious to know what $2 million gets you here for a house.
Oh yeah, same. Because if their houses here are only like 200 to 400, oh my gosh, that's a steal. Okay, so we're about to buy dinner. We are at AJ's Pizzeria. So this is the fried ravioli. Okay. This is the Big Apple. And then this one is the spinach Alfredo or chicken Alfredo.